Hello, Hivers, and happy 4th of July. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a dual-purpose card using the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper, Circle Same stamp set, and the beautiful balloons dies, okay? But of course, before we get started on our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First off, we have the Fun in the Sun paper pumpkin kit for July that makes 9 cards and it comes with the Daffodil Delight stamping spot. There's a link in the description below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin, which I surely hope that you do. In July, this is our host code. We have a host code special. When you place an order of $60 or more using this host code, before shipping and tax is your total of $60, I'm going to send you a Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack for free. That is from me at Honeybee Stampin' Hive. 1 per customer during this birthday celebration month. Yes, my birthday is at the end of this month. Also coming up, you have the Earn to Redeem. So beginning on July 6th through the 31st, when you shop with me, you can earn a $5 coupon for every $50 that you spend. So if you spend the $60 using my host code, you're going to earn that Memories and More card pack for free, but you'll also get a $5 coupon from Stampin' Up. Again, this starts on July 6th, okay? And you must place your order between these dates in order to get the $5 coupon from Stampin' Up. And these coupons will be redeemable in August. So we have all of our buzzworthy business out of the way. Let's go ahead and get started on our quick and fun project. So I have some basic white here that I'm going to die cut using the star from our Beautiful Balloons dies. So let me get my baby boss, the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And we're just going to die cut this out. Nice and simple. That is all we need this for. Okay. We have everything that we need for our dies. Then we have our scrap paper. I'm going to get some basic red ink. And we're going to stamp on this star. Let's see. Let me show you first. Also, I have a piece of blueberry bushel that was cut at 3 by 5.5, and I die cut a bunch of stars out of it for another project, and I thought it was cute, so I wanted to use it. So now I am trying to figure out, I'm going to pop this star in one of these locations, and that is what I'm looking to see where. I think I want to put it there. Yeah, like that. So I just need to know how to set up my star. And we're going to stamp thank you on this star. So I said it's dual purpose card because this is my customer appreciation card for the month. Ooh, that didn't go so well. Let's die cut another one. Okay, that's better. Still not exactly how I wanted it, but that is much better. We're going to go ahead and use that one. So then we're going to take this piece from the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper. We're going to use this side, and we're going to go ahead and brush on some red ink. So this is my customer appreciation card for the month of June. So if you placed an order with me in June, this is the card that you will be getting. And it also serves as my 4th of July card because it's red, white, and blue. Yep, dual purpose. Okay, I want to make sure it's really red, not pink. You can color this using your blends if you like as well, but I didn't want to use up a lot of ink out of my marker when I can do this just as easy. Okay, trying to get these pinky spots to be red. All right. Ooh, I'm gonna have ink all over my finger. So that is it for that. Let me wipe my hands down because I don't want to get anything on our card base. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this to our blueberry bushel and get my silicone mat here because I don't want to get glue everywhere. I'm putting the glue on here so that I won't have it in the wrong spots on my designer series paper. Okay, that looks like everything has glue on it where it needs it. Yep, all the corners, the sides, yeah, okay. So we're just gonna take this, and it's just a little smaller than our blueberry bushel, so we have to be careful. We don't want it showing on the opposite side. Okay, just like that. Then we're gonna take this thank you and we're gonna pop it up. So let's get a dimensional or two. Get some of these minis here and put, ooh. So I've gone ahead and did our inside. This is blueberry bushel at 5 by 3 3/4, and then I have a piece of basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4 layered on top with a piece of the designer series paper that is a 1/2 inch by 3.5 layered on there. And I got the red on this one by using the the Stampin' Blends marker. So that's our inside. And we can go ahead and glue this to the outside of our card. The card is going to be very simple on the outside. We're not stamping anything in the background. We only did one little thing for stamping, and this is going to go across the middle of our card. Like that. Okay, so now we have our dimensionals in place. We're going to get our star here. Line it up just like that. Okay, and of course we have to add some bling. So I did not choose what bling I want to use, so let me see what we have that can be put on here. Oh, we have the classic matte dots. We could use those because they're white. I think we have enough white. Maybe we'll just use some basic rhinestones. Let me see what else I have. I have a lot more. Let's see. Something with some, ooh, let's use these. Yeah, I think I want to use these sequins, the Adhesive-Backed sequins trio pack. So, because it has white in here. And they're white but clear. So we can put some on. You'll do it just like that and call that done. Okay, isn't that cute? I like that. Very quick and simple card, right? All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.